Davao City Bypass Road Construction Project. Sisimulan na! Ito na nga ba ang may tuturing na pinakamahabang tunnel road sa bansa? Panuurin at alamin. The Department of Public Works and Highways has awarded the civil works contract for the initial implementation of the Davao City Bypass Road project. That includes building the country's first long-distance mountain tunnel, measuring 2.3 kilometers, as part of the first 10.7-kilometer segment of the Davao City Bypass Road construction project. Based on information released by the Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA on Wednesday, November 4, the contract agreement between DPWH and the joint venture of Shimizu Corporation, Ulticon Builders Incorporated, and Takinaka Civil Engineering and Construction Company Limited was signed on October 29 by DPWH Undersecretary for Unified Project Management Office, UPMO Operations and Technical Services, Emil Sadain, Project Director Virgilio Castillo of DPWH UPMO Roads Management Cluster 1, and Mr. Makoto Fujii and Mr. Hio P. Manuel of Shimizu Ulticon Takinaka Joint Venture. The ceremonial signing of contract was virtually witnessed by Embassy of Japan in the Philippines, Second Secretary Tomohiro Matsubara, Japan International Cooperation Agency, Philippines Chief Representative Eigo Azokizawa, JICA Philippines Senior Representative Kiyo Kawabuchi, and other JICA and Japan Embassy officials. The project, which will connect the barangays of Sirawan in Davao City and JP Laurel in Panabo City, will cut travel time to 49 minutes instead of 1 hour and 44 minutes via the existing Pan-Philippine Highway Diversion Road. The 4-lane road tunnel segment will run through the mountainous section of Barangay Magtuod in Davao City. According to JICA, this segment is considered to be the centerpiece of the project as it would require the application of advanced tunneling technologies commonly employed in Japan for the construction of the mountain tunnel. The Philippines is poised to benefit not only from the use of such pioneering facility, but also in the knowledge and technology transfer between Japanese and Filipino engineers and workers. A report released by the DPWH said the bypass road will have an important role to unite west and east side communities that are experiencing more economic activities but are separated by a mountain. Part of the Build program of the Duterte administration, the objective of the project includes hastening interregional transport of goods and services through the city, reduce transfer cost of products to customers, mitigate congestion in the urban center, provide a more reliable, more efficient, and unimpeded flow of goods and services, support the growing agro-industrial sector, manage urbanization in the city and its periphery, and provide better access to and from major ports in Davao Gulf, including Sa Port in Davao City and Davao International Container Port in Panabo City. JICA assisted the Philippine government on conceptualizing the bypass road project by providing technical assistance and provision of Japanese Official Development Assistance Fund to support the financing requirements, including the detailed engineering design, construction supervision, and capacity development components. According to the DPWH, the first segment, known as Package 1-1 of the 45.5-kilometer bypass road project, is estimated to cost 13.23 billion pesos and expected to be completed in 3 years. It is said that the 45.5-kilometer bypass road construction project will be divided into 6 packages: 10.7 kilometers Package 1-1, 12.8 kilometers Package 1-2, 6.1 kilometers Package 1-3, 2.7 kilometers Package 2-1, 3.5 kilometers Package 2-2, and 9.7 kilometers Package 3-3. Once finished, the Davao City Bypass Road project is expected to contribute to the improvement of the transport and logistics network in the region, generating additional businesses and jobs, and boosts the economic recovery of the country, and we're poised to be the first long-distance tunnel road in the Philippines. What do you think about the Davao City Bypass Road project? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.